In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a quick and easy method to get and copy a YouTube video link. Let's get started. First, open YouTube on your device. This can be on your computer or laptop. Now search for the video you want to copy the link of, or simply select it from your homepage or subscriptions. Once you find the video, click on it to open the video page. Let the video load, and now we're ready to copy the link. Scroll down just a little, and you'll notice a row of icons under the video such as like, dislike, share, download, and save. Click on the share button. It usually looks like an arrow pointing right. A pop-up window will appear showing different sharing options. At the top, you will see a box displaying the YouTube video URL. Simply click copy, and the link will be copied to your clipboard. Now, you can paste the link wherever you want, in a message, on WhatsApp, in an email, on Facebook, or inside a document. Just right-click and select Paste, or press Ctrl-V, and that's it. You now know how to get and copy a YouTube video link in just a few seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.